Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to mount your Google Drive in Colab. Let's get into it. First, open your coding page. The first step is to get your workspace ready on the screen so you can start adding your files. Go to the Colab website and open a new notebook or a project you are already working on. Make sure you are signed into the same account that holds your files. You need to have your workspace open before you can tell the computer to look for your storage. It prepares your screen for the next important move. Next, click the folder icon. You need to find the area on the screen where all your files are listed. Look at the left side of your screen for a small icon that looks like a file folder. Click on that folder icon to open the side menu. This side menu is like a window into your computer's memory. Opening it lets you see where your files will appear once they are connected. Next, choose the Mount Drive button. Now you can use the special button that tells the computer to link your storage space to your workspace. Look at the top of the side menu for a small icon that looks like a Google Drive symbol. Click the Mount Drive button and wait for a small box to appear. This button acts like a bridge. It tells the coding page that it is allowed to talk to your Google Drive and see your folders. Lastly, give permission and connect. The final step is to tell the computer that it is okay to see your files, and then verify that they have arrived. A box will pop up asking for permission. Click on Connect to Google Drive and follow the simple steps to say yes. Look back at your file list on the left and wait for a new folder named Drive to appear. And once the Drive folder shows up, it means your connection is working perfectly. Now your files are ready to use and you can start your work. And that's it. To mount your storage in Colab, open your coding page, click the folder icon, press the Mount Drive button, and give permission to connect. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.